Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about abnormal thought possession is found in obsessive compulsive disorder. We have abnormal thought possession. Disorders of thought. Actually, thought has four characteristics. One, stream of thought. Second, form of thought. Third, content of thought. Fourth, possession of thought. According to possession of the thought, the patient, everyone, each one of us are the sole possessors of thought. No one in this world can control our thoughts. But if abnormalities of possession of thought is obsessive compulsive disorder. Thank you and thank you for watching.